Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar.
Role of particle size and zeta potential in pharmaceuticals. In a DLS experiment, a laser beam is directed through the sample. Electrophoresis refers to the movement of charged particles in response to an electric field. I developed phase analysis light scattering, PALS, to overcome the limitations of the laser Doppler method.
The BeNano is equipped with three key technologies that provide a wide range of measurement parameters. In the pharmaceutical industry, the BeNano is instrumental in enhancing users' understanding of materials and addressing critical challenges. Here's an application of BeNano in a study involving DNA, demonstrating how gold nanoparticles can be utilized in pharmaceutical applications.
And is it possible to take the size and zeta together in the BeNano?
The BeNano allows for measurements of both size and zeta potential by integrating the DLS for size measurement and ELS for zeta potential analysis.